Today I will talk about business plan. It is part of my series of lectures on marketing management. This is my lecture outline. First I will talk about types of business plan. Then I will differentiate business plan and feasibility study. Then I will give an introduction. Then I'll talk about purpose of business plan. Then I'll describe contents of business plan including information and plans. Then I'll talk about reasons of business failure. So types of business plan include startup business plan, strategic business plan, business acquisition plan, business repositioning plan, expansion and growth plan. This my lecture is devoted to startup business plan. Business plan versus feasibility study. Business plan include goals of business, business information and future plans. Whereas feasibility study include feasibility analysis, risk analysis and sensitivity analysis. To start a feasibility study, we need a brief business plan, and results of feasibility study are very helpful in improvement and development of final business plan. A business plan is a written summary of various elements involved in starting a new enterprise. It is a documented strategy of a business that highlights company's objectives and its plans to achieve those goals. Business plan describe how a business will organize its resources to meet its goals and how it will measure progress. It also describes company's core business activities and it should include time frame to achieve the goals. Types of startup business plan include either traditional or a lean plan. The plan describes future roadmap for financial activities, operational activities, and marketing activities. Business plan is meant for companies' internal as well as external audiences. Business plan is reviewed and updated periodically. Business plan is also required to obtain finances for starting a company. A business plan should include following viewpoints: producer viewpoint, customer viewpoint, and investors viewpoint. We should not make a business plan only from producer's point of view. We should include customer's point of view, as well as we should consider what investors want information from our business plan. So purpose of business plan. It provides a blueprint of actions to be taken in future. It guides us in raising the factors of production, which include man, machine, and money, that is finances. It serves as a guide to organize and direct the business activities. It helps in measuring the progress of business stages. It communicates to all stakeholders the program of business. It also helps in forecasting future business demand. So these are various purposes which are solved from business plan. Business plan defines objectives, strategies, customer scenarios, market segments, products and services to be offered, sales forecast, steps required to achieve the objectives, distribution system, promotional activities, and pricing decisions. So I will classify these in a proper sequence and then I will describe these in my present lecture. So contents of business plan. Contents can be divided into executive summary, information part, and planning part. So first of all, executive summary. This section is written last, but is read first. It includes mission statement of the company, key value proposition, long-term goals, and summary of various sections of planning. So information includes general introduction, including name and address of business, name and address of entrepreneur, stakeholders of business, nature of business and customers, details of industry and economic factors. Next, information include business nature, that is products and services to be offered, product lifespan, benefits to customer, key value proposition, scale of business operations, type of technology to be used, types of skilled personnel required. Market analysis include competitor analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities, threat analysis, expected customer demand, business opportunity, that is specific problem that our business solves in marketplace, target market, that is demographics, psychographics, behavioristic, geographics of an ideal customer. So this is information about our market. Then plans. So first, organization and management plan. Form of ownership, that is type of legal entity, whether it is a proprietary firm, whether it is a partnership firm, whether it is a limited liability partnership, or whether it is a private limited company or a public company. Then identification of business associated partners if partnership firm. Administrative structure we plan for our business, and identification of management team. Then operational or production plan, details of manufacturing process, physical infrastructure required, types of plant and machinery required, raw material to be used, and requirement of support like power and water supply, etc. Then human resource plan, category of human resource required, human resource already identified, human resource to be acquired, time frame for acquiring human resource. Then marketing plan, product and services to be offered, pricing policies, promotional strategies, distribution and logistics, and channels of distribution. Then financial plan and projections, break-even analysis, fixed capital requirement, working capital requirement, sources of capital, schedule of procurement of capital and assets, cash flow projections, and budget. Then miscellaneous information, which is usually attached as annexures or appendix, market research report, types of business risk, contingency plan, product pictures, patents, permits, licenses, contract with vendors, and contract with financial institutions. So what are the reasons of business failure? Some of the reasons of business failure which are relevant to the present lecture include not sticking to business plan, cash flow shortage, out of control budget, changes in market, changes in economy. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.